Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I'm the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I'm going to explain few things on Juniper Networks training course. In this Juniper Networks training, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the training. In case, if you are looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda, what the trainer is going to cover in this Juniper Network today's training video. What is Juniper Networks? That is the introduction part. Its basic features, Juniper Networks course content in details, certifications of Juniper, its required prerequisites, why one should choose Maximus trainer, what are the job opportunities available for Juniper Networks, Maximus introduction, corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits, conclusion, and lastly how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the Juniper Networks training purpose. Our next is, what is Juniper Networks? Juniper Networks designs and markets IT networking products such as routers, switches, and IT security products. Juniper is a significant player in the core router market. Juniper Networks originally focused on core routers, which are used by Internet Service Providers (ISPs) to perform IP address lookups and direct Internet traffic. The Juniper MX-Series is a family of Ethernet routers and switches designed and manufactured by Juniper Networks. These switches run on Juniper Networks operating system called JUNOS. Next, we have with us is the main features of Juniper Networks. Let me read out all the features for your easy understanding. And the features are, all Juniper products have the same operating system called JUNOS and commands on all of their switches, routers and firewalls. The code is exactly the same for all. This means it will take less time to keep track of code versions and updates on multiple types of switches. Juniper keeps on updating the software once in every quarter. And since all of their products have the same software, You can easily save time during upgrades. In Juniper, the last 50 configuration changes are automatically saved. By default, the Juniper operating system will save the last 50 configuration changes you have made. Moving on to the next, we have the Juniper Networks course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you, which he is going to cover in this video. So here are the topics for you. Let me read out the topics of Juniper Networks. The topics are Enterprise Routing and Switching, Service Provider Routing and Switching, Security, JUNOS Curriculum, Automation and DevOps, Data Center, JUNOS OS Platform, MPLS Switching, Source Packet Routing in Network, Spring, Pseudo-ware Head and Termination, PHT, Multiple VLAN Registration Protocol, MVRP Link Aggregation Groups, LAGS, Multitask Leg, MC Leg. So far I have shown you here is the main course content. Basically, what the trainer has prepared for you for Juniper training session. Moving on to the next, we have what are the benefits of certifications for Juniper Networks? After the successful completion of the Juniper Network course, you can also go for the Juniper certification exam. Gaining JUNOS certification is worth because it is relatively straightforward to study for and opens up multiple opportunities for career advancement. After passing the certification exam from any accredited institution, you will be a certified Juniper professional. Completing the Juniper certification is highly recommended to be prepared for the trending future job of the IT market. Here is the details of prerequisite. That is, who all are eligible to take part in Juniper Networks learning session. There is no specific prerequisite for learning Juniper Networks course. Any candidate with no prior knowledge can join this Juniper training session and learn it in depth to start his career in this field. Next we have why Maximus Juniper Networks Trainer. It's because our trainers are real-time subject matter experts from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in this field. They will tell you real-time industry Juniper Networks implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their day-to-day activities. They will also share with candidates about the case studies of Juniper Networks. The trainer will not only cover those topics, whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will definitely make a project ready so that the candidate can easily start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the Juniper Networks training session. They will eventually guide you for the Juniper Network certification exam also, so that the candidate can pass the exam with an ease. What are the job opportunities available for Juniper Networks across the globe? If you're searching for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I have already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 2562 job opportunities across India. Among these, the topmost locations are Bangalore being the top. There are 916 job opportunities for Juniper Networks. Then I can see Delhi, where there are 477 job opening and 20 openings for remote locations and many other locations available. Let me see how much package they are offering. I can see 1246 who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs. 581 who all are ready to pay 15 to 25 lakhs. And one more thing I got to see, there is even one opening that is ready to pay more than 100 lakhs. Let's see which are the companies in India hiring for Juniper Networks. Accenture being in the top, where there are 65. job openings, and many others big companies are also hiring for Juniper networks across India. And if we're looking for job opportunities across USA, then Dice is the best platform available. Let's have a look at Dice. In Dice, currently I get to see there are 342 job openings in Dice for Juniper networks. And the designations are Network Engineer, Juniper Engineer, Juniper Network Engineer, etc. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn today there are 1396 job opening. I repeat, 1396 job openings for Juniper networks. Let's see across the globe who all are the companies hiring for Juniper networks. In LinkedIn, I got to say Juniper Networks being the top company, then Netscope, Loom, Dice, Lacework, Pegasystems, Entity Limited, and Accenture, etc. These are the top companies hiring for Juniper Networks across the world. And what are the top locations available? Currently, United States, India, Netherlands, Singapore, Canada, Japan, Malaysia, and Philippines, etc. Let's go back to our main slide. We have already gone through all these top companies in Naukri, Dice, as well as in LinkedIn. And these are the names of the top countries we already got to see from all these three job portals. Why one should choose Maximus Training Institution? Maximus Institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If you have to talk about our company Maximus, we are one of the top technologies training company in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Maximus has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and Singapore, or say any country. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided Juniper Networks training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide we have. What are the corporate training benefits of Juniper Networks from Maximus? Customization of course content can be done as per the company's project requirement. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of Juniper Networks training. Maximus corporate training program helps employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the Juniper Networks training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what are the individual training benefits from Maximus? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry specific subject matter experts trainer for individual project. Flexibility to select trainer and have live demo session with trainer before the starting of the Juniper Networks training. Each candidate will easily get to know the Juniper Networks certification exam process in details. On concluding today's session, I can say that Juniper Networks company develops and markets networking products, including routers, switches, network management software, network security products, and software-defined networking technology. And for Maximus, I can proudly say we have industry-specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirement for companies and for individuals. This Juniper Networks training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individuals training, individuals may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places. But arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individuals is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that Juniper Networks has great market job opportunities throughout the world. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level training, course completion certificate, Juniper Networks certification tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All this option makes us excellent and first choice for learning Juniper Networks training course. For any more further information, or if you want to enroll with us for Juniper Networks training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maximonus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here. and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Juniper Networks, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full Juniper Networks training session with Max Mulus. Candidate satisfaction is our main priority. Thank you.